Hi, I'm Brian Legalio, brand ambassador for Everlast Welders. Today I'm going to go through some... Oh yeah? More? Hey! Hey! I just always think of Billy Mays, how ridiculous he sounds.
Get on the ball!
That was... Today I'm going to go over some problems my students have running a 3F weld. Let's get in it. Today we're going to be welding with the Lightning MTS 275. I'm going to go with some of the settings I like. I don't use any hot start. That's from my background of being a pipe welder. We're going to run a 1/8 7018. So about 117 amps, 115 to 120, depends on what your comfort zone is. And I'm going to put my arc force at 10. I may turn that up depending on how it's reacting. When I get a start, I'm going to drag it down, bounce back up. And as I come up, I want to kind of lean my flux against the plate. Some of the biggest thing is about body position. I put a little clamp right here so I have something to stabilize as I'm coming up. I want a little bit of work angle. That is typically what you should see with a 3F weld with the 7018 rod. Next, I'm going to show you what's a common problem my students have. It's not carrying their puddle uphill with them. What does that mean? Let me show you. This is the way it's supposed to look, and then I'm going to start outrunning it. My arc is gouging and not filling because I'm outrunning my puddle. Here's some undercut. Here's narrow in the bead. You should be carrying a pretty healthy bead with you. It should be a well-fed puddle. If you start starving it, you start creating undercut and having a problem with the width and consistency of your bead. Problem number 2 is extending the arc length. You should have a pretty tight arc. You shouldn't see little droplets coming off your electrode into your puddle. Alright, this is the way it should look again. I can see my spot on the bead right next to me where I started picking up my speed. I'm going to extend now. See how violent, uncontrolled, it's gouging my base metal. It's not filling it. Start extending my arc length right here. Start causing some undercut. Undercut, it starts giving a nice sharp point on the backside, which is an indicator. That's an indicator to me that my arc length is too wide. Start becoming a little piquet right here and causing some undercut. That's all from arc length. I know this is a quick video, but I get a lot of questions about this right here. Running 7018 uphill is a challenge when you're first learning how to weld. If you have any comments or questions, drop it in the comment section below. Weld mean weld green.
Say weld mean weld green again.
Weld mean weld green.
Okay, now not laughing now.
Weld mean weld green.
A little slower.
Weld mean.
I wasn't feeling it.
Weld mean weld green.
Come on, with some authority.
Weld mean.
I thought you didn't want hot start on there.
There ain't no hot start.
Made you look.
Man, you're good.
Fucking head in the game.
We're rolling.
Alright.
Camera speed. Camera.
Camera speed?
Camera speed and rolling.
Okay.
We don't know either.
Do you have to put it at a certain speed?
It's a Houston thing.
Is it idling right now?
It's idling.
No,
Camera
we're
speed's when you
speed.
go to
We're
first
speed.
gear.
Yeah.
We're speed. We're not idle. We're speed. Yeah.
Camera speed.
Camera speed. Hold on. Camera idle.
I don't know what to think of that.
Camera speed.
Camera speed?
Let's throttle her back.
You ready?
Did I say camera speed?
I don't know. I don't know. I told him the world that you beat me.
Does he hit you?
Regularly, yeah.
I was welding. I was in there and I was talking. I thought it was going real good. And he came across my back with a 1/8 piece of filler. And he said, "Hurry up." I'm like, "You do this, Jason?" He's like, "You don't want to know what I do to Jason."
Yeah, he beats me regularly.
Ducking you? What is that?
You're too late. You're too late. With a reaction time like that, surprised you made it this far.
Yeah.
Lighting, it's kind of in my eyes. Do I need to go back to makeup?
Would you prefer me say action?
I don't know.
I mean,
Just thumbs up.
okay, we're good.
Hey guys, I know this is a quick.
Excited.
Hey, ready?
Yep. said yes.
I'm freaking nervous now.